Now make the 6 mistakes if you're just starting out and want to build a profitable online business. Hi there, I'm your online income guide. Welcome to my channel. If you're looking for practical ways to generate income online, start a profitable online business, and avoid common pitfalls, you are in the right place. Now, let's get into today's video. Before we go any further, let's define what an online business really is. I mean, many people think it's just about making money on the internet, but it's actually more than that. No doubt, the internet has leveled the playing field. I mean, giving anyone anywhere the opportunity to create income online. All you need is a smart device like a phone or laptop and an internet connection. And the best part, you don't need any prior technical experience to get started. Yet, many people jump in without the right information and they end up struggling unnecessarily. Now, that was a mistake I once made. But that won't be your story, because in this video, I will show you exactly how to start an online business with little to no money, even as a complete beginner. An online business is any business that operates primarily on the internet. So instead of a physical store or office, your products or services are delivered digitally or remotely. This could be selling digital products, offering services like virtual assistants, or having an e-commerce store, or even content creation. The key is that your customers or clients find and engage with you online. Now, let's clear up some myths that might be holding you back. Many people think you need thousands of dollars to start an online business. The truth, you can start with zero. I mean, platforms like social media, free website builders, and online marketplaces give you all the tools you need to get started without breaking the bank. Another myth is that you need coding skills or tech expertise. No, that's not true. Many online business owners start with basic digital skills and learn as they go. Plus, there are tons of beginner-friendly tools that make things super easy. You've probably seen ads promising that you'll make $10,000 in a week. Come on, let's be real. Online business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and strategy. But if you stick with it, the rewards are actually worth it. Now that we have the myths that can be holding you back out of the way, let's talk about the 6 biggest mistakes beginners make. Mistakes that could slow you down or even cause you to give up before you see success in your online business. The very first thing is having no clear goal. So many people jump in. I mean, it's the internet, I can operate social media, I can do this. So they just jump in without a plan. They just want to make money but have no idea how or why. So without a clear goal, you get distracted. You can get discouraged when the days are tough and lose motivation. So you need your big why. Ask yourself, why do I want to start this online business? Do I want extra income, financial freedom, or to replace my 9-to-5 job? See, having a clear goal keeps you focused and keeps you going on tough days. A big mistake beginners make is trying to sell to everyone. If you try to reach everybody, you'll end up reaching nobody. I mean, think about it. Would you rather buy skincare from a brand that specializes in your skin type or a random store selling everything? The same applies to online business. Define your audience, understand their needs, and speak directly to them. Just because you love an idea doesn't mean people will pay for it. So before launching your online business, research your audience. What problems do they have? What solutions are they looking for? We have simple tools like Google Trends and social media polls that can help you find what people actually want so that you're better positioned to serve them. Many beginners think just posting on social media or having a website is enough. No. Posting on social media is not a strategy. You need a real strategy for how to attract customers, market your products, and generate sales. Without that, you won't see consistent income. Trying to figure out your online journey all alone is a very long and frustrating road. I mean, you don't have to know everything from day one. So you can learn from people who have already done it or who are doing what you want to do. Even if you don't have a personal connection with them or you don't have a personal mentor, you can learn from their books, you can learn from their YouTube channels and online courses, that is, of those who are already doing it. Both their paid and free resources. This gets you on your journey faster than trying to do it all by yourself. So many people start an online business but quit too soon because they don't see instant results. The truth is, success takes time. The key is consistency. You have to keep learning, keep improving, and trust the process. While there are so many attractive online businesses out there, here are 3 beginner-friendly and in-demand online businesses you can start today with zero or little cost. Content creation. This is one of the most accessible online businesses. You can either offer it as a service to clients or build your own brand. So if you have skills like writing, graphics design, social media management, basically any skill, you have business owners or entrepreneurs who are looking for you, and you can render these services to them and get paid for it. Or you can start your own blog or maybe your YouTube channel or your social media page and build your own brand with content creation and find ways to monetize your content. And the best part is there are so many tools that are even free that can help your business, like Canva for graphics and so many things. You can do a whole lot of things using Canva. And you have CapCut, InShot for video editing, and if you're into writing, you can use Grammarly for writing. There are so many free tools out there. Content creation is a low startup online business. It is in high demand and it will create multiple income streams for you. But you need to be mindful of the fact that to build an audience for yourself, if you're doing it for yourself, it takes its time and you have to be creative and consistent. Virtual assistants is a great online business. As a VA, you provide remote support to your clients. You can provide support like email management, social media handling, project management, and the likes. And this is a perfect one for those looking to transition from a 9-to-5, or you simply want to earn an extra income or leverage industry expertise to provide specialized VA services. And the good thing is you can learn for free. You don't need a specialized degree or even prior experience. You can learn from YouTube, you can learn from Coursera, Udemy, Alison. These are platforms where you can learn how to become a virtual assistant for free. And you have tools, simple tools like Trello that you can use for your task management, Zoom for taking client calls, and Google Workspace for doing so many other things. Digital products. This is my personal favorite online business because once you create a product, you can sell it over and over again without extra work. If you have knowledge or skills in any area, you can turn them into digital products and sell. I mean, people are always looking for ways to learn and improve, and digital products allow you to get paid for sharing what you already know. So if you want to earn money online without constantly trading time for it, digital products are your best bet. You can create ebooks, courses, or templates based on what you already know, whether it's a professional skill, a hobby, or an area of expertise. So unlike services, digital products allow you to create once and sell repeatedly. And there are so many free tools out there that help you get started with creating, hosting, and selling your products. You have Seller. Seller allows you to host and sell, collect payments without stress. You can use Canva for putting your products together, and there are so many other tools. With digital products, the good thing is you don't need inventory, you create a passive income for yourself, and it is beginner friendly. It doesn't matter whether you're just getting started online. You only need to put in the effort to create your product and map out a strategy to attract buyers. Now that you know 3 beginner-friendly online businesses, let's talk about how you can start today with absolutely zero money. The first step is to use free tools. You don't need fancy software or paid subscriptions yet. So you can use for your content creation Canva, CapCut, Google Docs. These are tools that you can use for free. And for virtual assistants, you have Trello, you have Zoom, and you have Google Workspace to do a whole lot of things. And for digital products, you have platforms like Gumroad, Seller, Teachable, and Canva. All these are free tools that will help you get started with ease. The second thing is to offer value first. Just start offering value. You don't need to create a website yet or start running ads. Create social media content that are engaging and compelling. Engage in online communities or network on platforms like Facebook groups. Thirdly, leverage free marketing. So instead of spending money on ads, use organic marketing when getting started. Post valuable content, answer questions in forums, engage with people in your niche and even outside of your niche, and connect with potential clients or customers through social media. And the fourth thing to do is to start earning and reinvest. So once you land your first client or sell your first digital product, reinvest into better tools, paid ads, or education to scale your business. And now a quick recap. So today we defined what an online business is, debunked common myths, and looked at 6 mistakes beginners make. Finally, I share 3 beginner-friendly businesses you can start today: content creation, virtual assistants, and digital products with free tools to help you get started. Starting an online business doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With the right mindset, strategy, and tools, you can build something profitable and sustainable. And to make things even easier for you, I've put together a free ebook called Online Income Made Easy that walks you through the exact steps to start and grow your own profitable online business. You can access your free copy in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from me. I'll see you in the next video.